In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Asana. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure that your team gets on board smoothly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the Asana URL. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few options to access your account. If you're a Google user, you'll appreciate the straightforward integration Asana offers. Simply click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step is quick and gives Asana the access it needs to sync your projects with your credentials. Choose the appropriate account to proceed and you're in. Once you've successfully logged in, your next move is to go to your project. On the left panel, you'll notice a list of all your projects. Browse through and select the one you wish to add collaborators to. Clicking on your project will direct you to your project's main interface, where you'll see all your tasks and workflows laid out. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the project page and click on the Share button. This is your gateway to managing collaborators. After clicking Share, a window will pop up showcasing various sharing options. Here's where you can adjust who has access to your project. As part of this window, there's an Editor drop-down menu. This menu allows you to choose the level of access you want your collaborators to have. You can set them up as an editor, commenter, or viewer depending on what best suits your needs. Select the appropriate level of access for the individual you are inviting. Next, it's time to type in their email. In the space provided, enter the email address of your collaborator. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps, such as the email bouncing back due to typos or outdated information. Finally, hit the Invite button. Clicking Invite sends out the email invitations to your collaborators, allowing them access depending on the permissions you have set. They will receive an email with details on how to log in, view, or collaborate as part of your project. This ensures they can get up to speed and start contributing right away. And that's it. You've successfully added collaborators to your Asana project. Feel free to explore more and manage your team as you see fit to optimize your collaborative efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy organizing with Asana.